Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, in this video I am discuss about job in Accenture. Accenture is hiring off campus for 2021 freshers. If you are a 2021 pass out, this is one of the good opportunity. Before go to discuss about salary details and eligible criteria, if anyone want interviews of different companies and interview questions in PDF format, check interviewtalks1.blogspot.com link in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs, subscribe our channel. There are two roles that Accenture is recruiting 2021 pass out: associate software engineer and software engineer. The salary for associate software engineer is 4.5 lakh per annum and software engineer is 6.5 lakh per annum. Let's see the details about eligible criteria. The student must be a 2021 pass out. All branches in BE, BTech and MC are eligible. Academic requirement: minimum 65% or 6.5 CGPA aggregate at the time of recruitment. Academic gap: maximum 1 year will be allowed. There is no current backlogs at the time of recruitment. And one important thing is PAN card is mandatory for the application process. Let's see how to fill this registration form. 2021 graduate students are eligible to this drive. How did you find out about this job? If you get this information from YouTube, you can choose social media advertisement. After, you can enter your first name and last name as mentioned in PAN card, university roll number, email ID and mobile number, which will be used for further notifications. PAN card is mandatory to apply this job. You should enter your PAN card number in this box. Date of birth, gender, education details, education type. If you are BTech student, you can choose undergraduate. If you are MCA student, choose post graduation. If you wish to add more details about education, to click add more, otherwise you can leave. If you complete any certification courses in Salesforce and programming in C, you can choose any one of the option, otherwise you can leave. It's not mandatory. If you have a disability, choose yes, otherwise no. Preferred job location: Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune. You can choose 3 locations as your wish. Have you completed your final semester exam? If you are still pursuing BTech, you can choose no, otherwise yes. Your preferred assessment time slot: 10 a.m., 2:30 p.m., 5:30 p.m. You can choose one time slot based on your availability. Gap in education: more than one academic year, no gap, or less than one academic year. Have you worked in Accenture before? If you already worked in Accenture, choose yes, otherwise if you had already worked in Accenture, choose yes. If you are a fresher, choose no. Standard backlogs: if you have backlog, choose yes, but you should complete the backlog before onboarding process. Have you appeared for an assessment or interview process? Have you appeared for an assessment or interview process for Accenture in the last 6 months? If you had already appeared for any selection process or written test related to Accenture, you are not eligible to this drive. So if you are eligible to this drive, are you an Indian citizen? Choose Indian. After filling all the details, check once. Once you click submit, your changes will not be allowed. You can add resume, passport size photo, government ID proof as PAN card. After filling all the details, you can click submit. After successful submission of application, you received a message. You will receive a message: thanks for registering. Now Now we discuss the selection process. Selection process consists of 4 rounds: cognitive and technical assessment 90 minutes, coding round 45 minutes, communication test around 20 minutes. Based on your performance in written test and communication test, you will be selected to interview. Depending on overall performance in written test and interview, your package will be assigned. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.